Alright, here we are continuing. The next day here, day 2. As you guys can see that I took off the valve cover itself. It wasn't really that easy, but it still was manageable. As you guys can see here, there's many bolt holes. On the ones on the corners, for sure, those are the ones real difficult. I actually had to use a 10mm wrench just to be able to get that corner one. And then once you break it free, you could get them without. I mean, you could get them with your fingers. You guys can tell the holes you have to take out. And then now, you know, I'm gonna be able to have when I take the heads out, I'm gonna have to spray in that area in there to be able to take off the exhaust, or the exhaust header connection flange, and take the bolts out. So we sprayed those with lubricant, so they're pretty much soaking, and so hopefully when I get to them, it'll be a little bit easier to take off. And I'm going to be removing this piece here as it is. There's a 10mm bolt there, and then there's one underneath this piece right here underneath, and then I took off this clamp right here. In order for me to be able to pop this thing off after. But even then, I still have to take out the whole timing chain cover itself, and I have to take out the pulleys and everything like that in order for me to be able to get to the sprockets to be able to take off the actual cam shafts themselves. So I'm able to pull out the actual heads themselves, because without that, I'm not going to be able to pull the heads off. So also because one needs to be able to take the cams out to be able to get to the actual head bolts themselves, because the bolts are actually right underneath the camshafts. So, and then I'll probably be replacing also right there inside. That's a knock sensor, and being that it's in the middle of everything, might as well replace it. And then just to let you guys know as well, you got your camshaft sensor and then your crankshaft sensor. There's two of them. There's one that's with the actual elbow to it. It's like a 45-degree elbow. And then this one right here is the straight shot one. And you just have the clips right here. Actually, this one has the clip underneath it, or somewhere around here to be able to pop it out. And you just push in and you pop out. But right now, I'm not worrying about that. So there you guys go. So we're gonna have to be taking off a lot of stuff. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so until the next step. Alright everyone, welcome back. Here we are, and just to show you that we're taking off a lot of parts right now, but right now it's just these bolts here taking off. We're going to be taking off the whole timing chain cover itself, so we're going to be taking out a whole bunch of things here.
No, I don't think so. It's actually a 14.
These bolts, just all those bolts.
You know that a 9/16 is the same as a 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, video is always a good thing to do.